Eagan, Maple Grove. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Hennepin County, southern Ramsey County, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Columbia Heights to near Wayzata, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Minneapolis, St. Paul, Plymouth, Minnetonka, Edina, St. Louis Park, Roseville, Brooklyn Center, Fridley, New Brighton, Golden Valley, and Columbia Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in the Twin Cities.